Enjoy the jungle, the mountain, the desert, anything you want. I was meant to.
Hello there, it's me back again with a new video. This time it will be 3 days overnight in the forest. I'm gonna take my knife with me, BK Bar 2. My fire steel, it's already pretty worn out. Look at this pitiful fire steel. Yeah, I'm gonna take a backpack with me. For this challenge, I'm also gonna take my water bladder with me because right now it's so dry that looking for water is quite uneasy. So, GPS clock, I won't use the GPS things, barometer or compass. I don't need all that right now for this challenge. So just for time, you know, just to get myself in check. And yeah, these dice. Of course, yeah, I will have my backpack to put all the camera stuff inside. And yeah, this dice. And the idea is to make decisions with this, the dice, device. Yeah, the first decision would be where I'm gonna go. So just an explanation. Right now, because of inflammation, we have in Germany what's called the €9 German ticket. So for €9, for 1 month, €9, you can go across whole Germany. Only not the fast trains like ICE, like the super high-speed things. You can't use them, but anything else, good to go all across Germany. So the idea is we have 16 states and this is a D20. I guess you get the idea. So I'm gonna roll out the state, and inside the state I'm gonna roll out as well the region, or Kreis called in German. In this region I'm gonna see how many forests I'm gonna have, or natural reservoirs, something like that. Definitely nature, not parks. I won't sleep in parks. I don't want to make urban survival. And then I'm gonna list them up as well, dice it out. You're gonna see what it's gonna be. Then I will have the place where I'm gonna stay. As well, some decisions where I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Not like gonna eat or not eat. Some stupid questions or decisions I won't do. By the way, with food, everything just from the nature, of course. This is the challenge. So, let's get the dice rolling. No, I have to do that again. Okay, hope you can see it. It's a 12. Okay, so this one is nice. You have listed them all up. So I'm gonna take this order. 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Interesting. I'm gonna go to Saarland. It's around 200 kilometers south from here. So not that super far. So inside, I will have nice forests up there. A little bit know that region, just a tiny bit. So let's look further. Saarland. And then I'm gonna roll again. Okay. Yes. Do we have an order here? Oh yeah. Okay. Nice. It's 1, 2, 3. Fuck, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 regions divided to 20. Just one doing the quick math. So 1, 2, 3 is the first one, and so on. So always three numbers on the dice are meant for one region. So let's keep going. And of course the 20 would be a reroll. 18. So it's pretty easy. It's the last one. So Wendel. It's in the north from the Saarland. Let's see the region up here in the Saarland. Don't make it English. It's Saarland. Warte mal, Wendel. Okay. Yeah, I found actually on Wikipedia a list of all the natural places, forest and so on. 19 in total. What's amazing, nice. So let's dice it again. And found the final region for my final destination, to be honest. It's a 10. So Ostertal. Okay. See, up there. This is the region. So I'm gonna go on Google Maps for you, so you just have like a brief overview. So yes. Wow. I won't have probably water problems. So let's see how dry it's gonna be. Somewhere around here, I'm gonna find my place to sleep. Oystertal. So there you have it. All diced out. I'm on my way to new adventures. What's Hannibal? Okay, yes. I finally arrived at Ingelheim. So one step more, and then I will be at my final destination. So let's see. Getting excited when I just look from the train into the forest, into the nature, thinking like, wow, where the fuck I'm gonna sleep tonight? Really, next level adventure ship. Okay. Last train. Yay! I'm finally arriving. Adventure time. Here we go. So now I have to walk about 4 or 5 kilometers to have my final place to sleep, and from there on I'm gonna count actually as well with that clock. Yeah, let's go. Down the street, I'm walking, just you and me, I'm walking. In 3 days I will be back. I forgot to tell. Actually, I was bringing something for enjoyment, and this is the back of Indo. Yes. Was bringing a lighter for this case as well. Oh, and as well, forgot to tell, I have also a first aid kit, of course. Oh, okay. Who we do have here? Who is that? let me see. Want some? Oh, this is San Vendalinus. Okay. So that's why the name, this town, or he named the town, the city after him. It's a moment of truth. Pretty soon I'm gonna leave civilization for filming purpose. I'm gonna tell you right now, I won't use my torchlight right now. I do have a head torch in case something interesting to film, but right now I'm just wandering in the darkness looking for a place to sleep. And if there's something interesting, I will let you know, but I try not to use this time my flashlight or my phone as a light source. I set a timer, first 24 hours. Whew, excellent. See you tomorrow or in the night, I don't know. Okay folks, I'm in the forest and I have to say it's quite ridiculous to try to build a shelter without a torch. Yeah, without light. So, without further ado, okay. Oh, by the way, I just heard some whack, 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 whack. Probably some white boar, just close to me. Just for a second my heart was standing still because I don't want to meet the mother. Okay, way better, way better. Current situation update. I have light. Okay, yeah, I found a place to sleep. I will actually crawl under this one. I will arrange it a little bit with this one to put up here. I will ground it a little bit, you know, get everything in place so I have some spacing under these, and then I will get some bedding, then I'm gonna sleep. Something else, whoops, yeah, this would be just a quick shelter for the night, no fire, but yeah, something else. There, just up there was an animal. I think it was maybe a wild cat or fox. Was big like a medium-sized dog, and just by clapping my hands he moved. He didn't want it to go when I was saying hey. Let's hope you guys could see something. Careful, excellent. Careful. Or maybe I could patch the rest up with bark. That's a good idea. So on.
Okay.
Now we're getting some bark. Pack up this as good as I can. Oh, and then the rest. Nice materials. materials. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Okay. Let's see. It just have to be windproof. So if you're confused what I'm doing right now, just windproof. I'm improvising. Okay. Nice. That looks good. Quite good. Maybe I get some earth on it, just to be sure. Oh, tired, jeez. Okay, fill up these cranks. Oh wait. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Oh fuck. That was one too much. Fuck it, whatever. Okay. Let's go to bed. Yeah, this would be my blanket. I will close it just from there. There's some branches in the front, and basically I was making a sandwich with the wheat or the corn I've got from there, you know, the forest just ends here, and there is like a huge cornfield. So good night, see you in the morning.